Ever wish you didn't have to turn on your dust collector and open each blast gate every time you want to use a woodworking tool? The time spent doing this adds up and might even cost you money on missed labor. Oneida Air Systems and iVAC have an easy solution that gives you the power to automate your shop. iVAC just launched a magnetic switch controller that is compatible with the magnetic starters on Oneida Air dust collectors. This new iVAC switch allows you to turn on and off an Oneida Air dust collector when turning on or off other machinery equipped with an iVAC Pro Tool Plus. The new iVAC switch is also compatible with iVAC Pro blast gates. You think this only works with one tool at a time? How about up to 8 at once? Convenience is yours with full shop automation. Start your journey today.